Hello, in the previous video we have been trying out the test mode and we ensured that all of our knobs are working correctly, or at least I showed how you can do that. And hopefully you now have a unit right next to you and you can try out getting some sounds out of this unit. If you want to start from scratch, like if you want to get it like new from a data perspective, you can do a factory reset. So if you did already play around with the box and you want to save your work, or you don't want to lose your work, you should now back up your data on a floppy disk. Otherwise, if you want to start from scratch, you can hit octave down, octave up and all. And when you turn on the unit, this unit is factory resetted. You can do the same when hitting pattern chain and utility and turning on the box, and then you find a menu which allows you to factory reset this box, but that's the faster way. And you can already see that I'm in the first style, and this is like a brand new box, although the buttons are a bit yellow already. Okay, so how do we get some sound out of this box? And obviously the fastest way is to press play. And what we see here is that we're automatically in the section mode. And the section mode can be used to activate different phrases, and the phrase is playing just different notes on the voices that are configured on the 16 tracks here. So when I hit play, and while the section is enabled, I can already have a lot of fun dialing in different sections already. It's also nice to just play around with mutes. So when we enable the mute mode and it's blinking, so that way you already get used to how mutes are working. So you can click on all to mute all tracks. You can click on the 1 to 8 to mute the first 8, the last 8. And the nice thing is, and I mentioned it in one of the previous videos, is that you can have mute memory. So when you're playing this, and you have a mute setting that you want to save, you hit shift, you press the mute memory or one of the mute memories. Let's say you continue playing it and you want to have a different mute setting and you're satisfied with it, you can save it to another mute memory. So now when hitting play, you can switch between them. So it's a very nice way, and you should remember that, and probably and hopefully you're going to use it in live situations, which really makes it super handy. Okay, so what you can do as well is, and what you should know at the beginning as well, is that this knob or this encoder can be used to switch between different styles. So you can actually do that in real time. And you can already hear the pretty wild styles, and it's anyway a good way to get started and to figure out how this box works. And feel free to play around with pretty much everything here. I think you can't break anything, and in case you don't feel comfortable, you can just like factory reset it again and start from the beginning. And after you feel confident with all the knobs and buttons and navigating around a bit, you can start building your own user styles, and you can build up a beat from scratch. And that's what we're going to do in the next video. So I hope to see you there.